How to make a free portfolio website for musicians using Wix. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a free portfolio website for musicians using Wix. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Wix, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Wix, it is a cloud-based website development platform that allows individuals and businesses to create professional-looking websites without needing advanced technical or coding skills, in which it also offers a drag-and-drop editor, a customizable templates, and a wide range of built-in features such as e-commerce tools, booking systems, blogs, and SEO optimization. And aside from that, Wix also provides hosting, domain management, and security, making it all in one solution for building and managing websites. To create an account, just click the link in the description or the Get Started button right here. Then you can log in using your Google account, email, and many more. Once done, you will be directed in this homepage. But in order to create a new site, just click Create New Site button on the top right corner, and in here just choose Use Wix Editor. Then click Setup Without Chat. Once done, you will be directed in here. It will ask you what is your site all about, so you can simply enter here Musician Portfolio. Then click the Continue button to proceed. Now the next step is to simply enter what you want to call your site. But if you want to skip this, you can do so by clicking the Skip button below. Now the next step is to enter your goals for this site. You can simply choose here to sell my music online, drive concert bookings, promote my music brand, and many more. Then click Continue button to proceed. Then from here, the next thing that we need to do is to simply find the right apps for you. You can simply check some of the boxes and click Add and Continue button, or you can skip this part also. And after that, you will now be automatically be directed in here, where it will show you some of the things that you can simply set up to your business, including your custom domain that you can connect. We can start adding a project to our portfolio and many more. Now under homepage, from here you can set up or see some of your analytics. Under sales, it will show you the list of your sales, and we also have here the orders, the catalog, the blog, portfolio, and many more. You can start adding a product in here if you want to by clicking New Product button on the top right corner under the catalog section. But since we're trying to create a portfolio for musicians, all we need to do is simply go to the portfolio option right here, and it will show us how we can start managing or adding a new project or portfolio design. Starting to choose all the types of work you'd like to showcase. I'm going to choose original songs, and after that, just simply upload the images for the album or the song that you want to upload here in your portfolio. And after that, we can now start setting up our own portfolio in here, or the project, or the music that we are going to upload. But to also start editing a website after uploading a portfolio, just go back to homepage and click Design Site button on the top right corner. Then it will show you in here that you can simply choose either to pick a template or generate a design, and I'm going to choose to pick a template. And let's say we already choose our own or preferred template, you will be directed in here. Now in this editing mode in our website, we can now start customizing our own website using the editing tools that we can find on the left side panel. We can start entering here, for example, this text. By clicking on it, I'm going to enter my music portfolio. So as you can see, that is just also how simple to start customizing our own text in here. You can even choose your own font, color, and many more. And to also start changing the image, all you need to do is simply click on it and choose the replace button, or if you want to, or click change design, add a section. From here we can start adding a new section, either home, about, section, theme, contact, promotion, services, and many more. All of these are pretty much accessible in here, so you can simply click on it and choose the right layout of the kind of pages you want. Now under the page section, from here it will show you all of the lists of your pages. You can even choose to customize your text theme, the layout, and many more, so you can see once more. So as you can see, all of these editing tools are pretty much accessible in here. But to start adding in elements that we can find, all we need to do is simply click this element section by clicking the plus button. We have here, we can add a text, images, a gallery, a box, decorative, and many more. For instance, under gallery, I'm going to simply add here this kind of gallery or this layout of photo, since we're making a music portfolio a portfolio for musician. Upon clicking on it, it will show us in here what it looks like. You can simply change the location a bit and even the sizes within the section. You can even choose our own images if you want to. By clicking manage media, we can simply delete some of the photo that we're not using, or we can simply replace it by uploading from our computer files. Now let's say you're now done customizing your own website in Wix. You can now simply click the publish button on the top right corner once done, and it will show you that your website is now being published. And overall, that is just basically how you can make a free portfolio website for musicians using Wix. Thank you.